Why seniors should strength train.
Strength training is vital for older adults. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass and strength. Regular strength training helps maintain mobility, supports balance, and reduces the risk of falls and injuries. It also helps manage weight, protects joints, and can improve mood and everyday function, making daily activities easier and safer.
Getting started, safety first.
Safety comes first for seniors starting strength training. Always consult a healthcare professional before beginning a new exercise routine. Start slowly, focusing on proper form rather than heavy weights. Wear comfortable, supportive shoes and choose a well-lit area with enough space to move. Keep water nearby and listen to your body, stopping if you feel pain or dizziness.
Essential techniques and movements.
Use simple, effective exercises. Bodyweight moves like wall push-ups, seated leg lifts, standing calf raises, and gentle squats are excellent for beginners. Resistance bands or light hand weights can increase challenge safely. Focus on slow, controlled movements to build strength and stability, aiming for 2 to 3 sessions per week with adequate rest in between.
Proper form and injury prevention.
Good form is crucial to prevent injuries. Maintain upright posture and avoid locking joints during exercises. Breath control is important. Exhale during effort. Inhale during release. Never rush through movements. Pay attention to pain. Mild muscle fatigue is normal, but stop immediately if you experience sharp pain or discomfort in your joints.
Progressing safely and staying motivated.
Gradually challenge yourself while prioritizing safety. Increase resistance or repetitions slowly as you become stronger. Keep a log to track progress and set achievable goals. Exercise with a friend or join a group to stay motivated. Remember, consistency delivers the best results. Celebrate improvements in strength, balance, and confidence as they come.